Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in the last video we have discussed about one hot encoding and one hot encoding in NLP and how it converts text data into vector representation, and we have also seen the advantages and disadvantages of one hot encoding. So today in this video we will see a practical implementation of one hot encoding with the help of Python, where we will be converting the sample text data. Like here is our example we have taken in the previous video. So we will convert this data in vector representation with the help of Python. So and with the help of using as so let's start the video. So I have open here my Colab notebook, or basically you can use any text editor like Jupyter Notebook or VS Code. So I am using Colab Notebook. So let's save our file one hot encoding. So let's start it. So for converting words into vector, we use two functions mainly, from pandas and from scikit-learn. From scikit-learn, we import one hot encoder directly from the sklearn library, and for from pandas we use get dummies function. So here we have two function. Then one is one hot encoder. One is one hot encoder, which is provided by sklearn library, sklearn, and another is get dummies, get dummies, get dummies, which is provided by pandas. So let's implement both these functions and convert our word into vectors. So let's first import from one hot encoder from sklearn library. So I am importing one hot encoder. So from sklearn dot preprocessing import one hot encoder, one hot encoder. So I have imported one hot encoder, and another I am importing import pandas as PD. For pandas as PD. So I have imported two modules, pandas and scikit-learn, and here the error is import pre-processing. So the pre-processing is failing. So it's imported. Now I have the sample text data. Let's first take our data, like let's take our text data first. Yeah, vector. So let's see how to do this in sklearn or pandas library or in Python. So first convert our data into data frame. So pd.dataFrame. With the help of data frame function, we convert our data into data frame. So this is df. So this is our data. So here apple, banana, orange, apple, orange, banana. So this is our data. So let's apply one hot encoding from this. So first we will apply pandas.getDummy. So using pandas.getDummies, pandas getDummies function. So for like one hot encoded, our one hot encoded vector. So one hot encoding pd dot get dummies, and we pass our text. So what is our text? So this is our text, and we will print one hot encoded vector. So this is given as true, false, false, true, true, false, true. This represents true means 1, false means 0, false means 0, and true means 1. So for this we convert into numbers. So for this we use prefix is equal to text. So this is our prefix, and here the result is output is in the form of true, false, true, false. So to convert it into boolean, or you can say 0 and 1. So we convert it with the help of one hot encoded dot as type function. We convert it into int. So we convert it into int. So as type int. So let's print our one hot encoded vector, one hot encoded. So let's print our one hot encoded. So here you are saying text apple is 1, text banana is 0, and text orange is 0. And here you see 0, 0 is our apple. So the vector of apple is 1, 0, 0, and banana. So for banana 0, 1, 0, orange for orange 0, 0, 1, and for again apple 1, 0, 0, orange 0, 0, 1, and for banana last 0, 1, 0. So here, so with the help of get dummies, you are able to convert our text data into numerical or vector representation. So this is how you can convert word into vectors with the help of get dummies. Now let's see from by using one hot encoding. So let's apply one hot encoding on this text data. Is df, and the let's make an object of the one hot encoder class. So encoder. So our encoder is one hot encoder. So here, yeah, I have imported the one hot, I have make an object of one hot encoder, and I have used fit and transform method to convert the words into vectors, and I have passed the text data. This is our text data. Here, our text data is apple, banana, orange, apple, banana. So here is our text data, and our encoded df is pd.dataframe encoded data dot to array. First, I have converted my data into array, and then I have converted it into I have the column names is encoder dot get features name. This is our feature name out, and here is our result. So here is our encoded data frame. So here is our encoded data frame like this we have used before. So text apple for for uh, for text apple, the vector representation is 100, for banana 010, for orange 001. So here you can convert your text data into vector representation with the help of get dummies or one hot encoder. You find the video useful, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी करना. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. बाय बाय.